Welcome to our complete guide on laptop servicing. We'll cover everything from fan cleaning to applying thermal paste to boost your speed. A complete laptop service can significantly improve your device's lifespan and performance. Is your laptop heating up, lagging, or making strange noises? This is a sign it needs servicing. Today, I'll show you how to perform a full laptop servicing safely and simply right at home. These are the basic tools you need for a clean service: a small screwdriver, brush, blower, thermal paste, and cotton swabs. The first major step is safely taking your laptop apart. Let's start with the back cover. Start by removing all screws from the back cover. A key tip is to keep them organized so you don't lose any or mix them up. Now that we have access to the internals, it's time to remove all that built-up dust. Use a soft brush or blower to remove all dust from the fan and vents. Remember, don't use too much pressure to avoid damaging small, sensitive components. Next, we'll address the heatsink and the crucial task of replacing the thermal paste. Gently unlock the heatsink screws and carefully remove the heatsink from the CPU. Clean off the old thermal paste completely using a cotton swab and, if available, isopropyl alcohol. This ensures good contact for the new paste. Apply a small, pea-sized drop of thermal paste right in the center of the CPU. The key is just the right amount, not too much, not too little. With the internal maintenance complete, we can now carefully put everything back together and finish with a quick exterior clean. Assemble everything back carefully, making sure to tighten the screws evenly across the back cover to secure it properly. Finally, give the keyboard and exterior of your laptop a quick wipe down for a clean finish. Let's look at the results after the full service. Your laptop temperature should be reduced, fan noise minimized, and overall performance significantly improved. For the best long-term performance, aim to try this complete servicing once every 6 months. Like and follow for more detailed laptop repair and tech tips.